Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. This time it is a Fab Fit Fun box. I saw an ad about it, about what was going to be in the summer box. I've been thinking about getting one for a while because they just seem like such a good deal. And it's always fun receiving something in the mail and not knowing what it is. So I decided to get this box. This is the summer edition box. It just came in the mail maybe an hour ago. So here it is. I thought I would go ahead and share with you all what is in it. So it opens like this, and then here we are, and that just fell. But that's the magazine that talks about all the products that are in it, and this is what the inside of the box looks like. It is super cute. What is this? Okay, so there's a code on the back of the card that comes in it. It says get 70 to 80% off full-size premium products every season. So you can use this at fabfitfun.com for $10 off your first box. Okay, you can find that code anywhere. So I went ahead and took the sticker off of the tissue paper so that we can see what is in here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start pulling things out and get started. So they ask you, if you're curious, they ask you questions, kind of like Ipsy and Sephora Play, like what are your preferences? What's your hair like? Do you like makeup? Do you prefer like home style things? Do you like jewelry, and what kind of jewelry? So things like that. So the first thing that I noticed on here, and I saw this in someone else's, and I was like, I hope I get this because I always have need for one of these. I just hope it doesn't fall apart. So this is like a little mini kind of clutch, but it's a card holder. So if you're like out and about, maybe if you're going out, it's coral and gold, super cute, and it's just got a little clasp. That I'm a little worried about because I wish it would seal instead of having this little hole that you just poke through. Of course, I don't know how much this costs, but I would not think it costs a lot because, I mean, it's nothing special, but it's cute and super handy. So there's that, and it says Minor History. I guess that's the name of the brand. I don't know. The next thing I think is in everyone's box, and this is from Pier 1. I love Pier 1. I don't wear rings. I have, chubby fingers, fat fingers, whatever. And I never liked them even when I had thinner fingers. I just don't like wearing rings. But it's a little jewelry dish. I can find another use for this. Looks like this. It was in bubble wrap, so that's good. It's marble print with, looks like gold trim. So it is cute. The next thing you could get was makeup items. So they were all from Tarte. You could either get the contour palette or the eyeshadow palette and their liner. And let's see, I got the Tarte Pro Glow contour kit. I don't know how much use I'll get out of this, so I might try and use it a couple times and then pass it on. So here it is. It's super matte and sleek. It's got a really nice feeling, and it's actually got some pretty good weight to it. It opens like that. There are two mirrors on each side, and then there are some cream bronzers. Well, not bronzer. You could use it as bronzer. Cream for, let's see, I'm tongue-tied. Cream contour. So one of these shades looks way too dark. And then there's 4 different highlighters. So that's nice. They still sell that product, and it's not, I was kind of worried that this might be like products that people don't really buy. So there's that. The next thing I'm super excited for because it is summer, and this is from the brand Kula. It is SPF 50. This is classic sunscreen. It says organic sun care. Not sure. They're vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, and you can recycle this. So that's good because I always like recycling anything. So there's that. Let's see what the bottle looks like. Ooh. And it's right here. Very summer colored. Kind of like this turquoisey color with this metallic blue. It looks really nice. I am very excited to use this because I do not have any sunscreen currently, except for like things for the face that can go under like foundation. So there's that. The next thing that I received is from Elemis. This is a papaya enzyme peel. So it's supposed to be a cream exfoliator. So this is for skincare. I have very dry skin. I tend to have a lot of texture, as you may or may not be able to tell. I tend to have a lot of texture. Sorry, I thought I had something in my hair, but I do have gray hair, and so sometimes bits of the strands will reflect in the light. Anywho, so that's cool. I do, like I said, I do have dry skin and texture. Sometimes my skin can be flaky on my cheeks, so it says it's non-abrasive. It's just fruit enzymes that work to leave the skin feeling soft and revitalized. So that's cool. I'm definitely getting more into skincare, so I do appreciate that. The reason why I bought the box this time in specific, what won me over, was this. Speaking of skincare, let me see if I can get this open. Okay. So this to me is what made it worth it. This is the Foreo Luna. This is called, Luna Fofo. It says in like super small print. So it says, get smart about your skin, know it, perfect it, love it. So this device measures skin moisture, reveals skin age, customizes cleansing routine, and apparently there's an app that you can link with this, because it says download to app or Google Play, and then you can use it. So that's cool. I'm super excited to use that because I like skincare, and I think one of these is like $39.99. I don't know. And then some of them, the different versions, I've seen at $39.99, and then one of them was like $130. So I'm not sure how much they're saying this one is. The next thing that I got is in a large purple box. It says aromatherapy, de-stress muscle gel, focus and soothing. Experience the warm and easing powers of rosemary, black pepper, lavender, and ginger to de-stress your body after spending too long in one position or after too much physical activity. So I think my boyfriend would get good use out of this. He's on his feet most of the day, so maybe I could like rub his feet and put this on him, and I can already smell it through the box. I hate lavender. Ugh. But he doesn't. He loves it. It's just not for me. Oh, it's big. So, yeah. To me, lavender's like pungent. It does not, my nose does not like it at all. So, but it looks relatively full, and so there's that. There's a lot of worms in here, so let me see what else is hiding, if there is anything else. Okay, I think there's a straw in here, and I think that's supposed to be about, this is a paper straw. Yeah, says the straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. So of course you've been seeing videos around, I'm sure you have, I know I have, about plastic straws and how bad they are for the environment, where they're getting caught in sea life, and you know, we should be more proactive about that. And to be honest, I think that the U.S. needs more recycling areas. If you look at like videos of people in Japan, and I think even Korea, they have like, they're so very particular about recycling, and they have like all these bins. They have bins just for like the caps for like water bottles and stuff, and for like the little tabs on Coke cans. So we need stuff like that. We just have like average recycling here in my area. So the next thing that I got is this. This is it looks like some kind of makeup tote sort of thing. Mine's kind of squished because they were trying to fit it in. Okay. It's a cute print. And in the top, it says a gift for you. A gift for you. Enjoy 50 off your purchase of 200 at yumikim.com. You can use the code FabFit50 for that if anyone's curious. off $200. Like, that's a lot to spend when you're just trying something out. But anywho, I've never even heard of them. So here it is. It is quite large. I guess I could probably use this at work because I don't need this at home, really. Because I just keep all my makeup right here and I get ready here every morning. I've got a whole setup here, anywho. So it's cute though. It's very cute. Looks pretty durable. I like that there's a zipper part in here, so if you are a person who travels, I'm not. But if you are a person who travels, then you can store stuff in here. Keep your brushes in here. I think that's quite nice. And then of course everything else in this larger bottom area. So I think this is silicone. Yeah, it says don't eat. So that is it. That is quite a lot of products. What made it worth it for me was this. Because I'm very fair, so contour for me I have to be very careful. So I've seen this around at Ulta and stuff. I've never wanted to go get it, even though I like Tarte. I really like Tarte. I've just never been drawn to this product because I am so fair, and just contouring's not my thing. That's for some people and it's not for me. So the reason why I got it, like I said, is because of this. So would I get another box? I am not sure. I would have to see sneak peeks before I decide to pay for it. Simply because, like I said, it depends on what's in it. Like, I'm not a person who's going out and trying, like, if you don't have much of anything as far as like skincare or things of that nature, then this would probably be good for you. I get a lot of free products to try and a lot of free products to review. So I wasn't really in need of skincare. I have tons of masks and things like that. The muscle gel, that would be nice for my boyfriend, not something for me. I wish they would have asked about scents, because I would not have picked lavender. And then of course I like this, but this isn't worth much. I mean, they could say it's worth much, but that's the thing. Okay. So I want to get into talking about this. So these boxes claim to be like $300 or something worth of products. I work in financial, we'll just say in finance. So I do multiple things actually in my job. One of the big things I do is finance. And so I know that there's a big difference between a product's actual value and retail value. So they'll say retail value. Retail value is what a retailer could sell a product for. So let's just throw a small situation. If you are at a bake sale and you have made cookies, you can choose what to sell those for. Whether or not people will buy it is a different story. Maybe if you're the popular kid and people just like adore you or something, then they might pay extra for it, which is what we do when it comes to luxury and products. Whether they are better than other products or not, we'll pay more for the name. So it's one of those things, and I kind of want to do a video about that kind of thing, about the industries in general when it comes to retail products and retail prices. Yes, this product is typically sold, I think, for around $35, around $35 to $40, somewhere in that price range. But these other products, I've never heard of them. Maybe some people have. Maybe they're normally sold at these prices. But hold on one second. Okay, so I got the magazine. It looks like you could have got this tote or some cute beach towels. The beach towels, in my honest opinion, look overpriced. $55 for the beach towel. I mean, I'd have to feel it first, but this tote from Yumi Kim, and no offense, I don't know who that is, but look at this. $58. I would not pay that. I would not pay that at all. I might pay $15 to $20 for that, for how it feels. Gosh, this thing that's like flimsy, and like you can tell that this is gonna get torn eventually, is $20. See, that's the thing. I think that they are reaching far for that. The papaya enzyme peel, it's hard to tell with skincare because of, I would have to go down and break down the price ingredients, but they're saying that this is $45. I don't know. So on those kind of things, I don't know. They're saying the Foreo Luna Fofo is $89. I can kind of see that because I've seen that around at Ulta, and it is priced around that. The Pure One Marble Ring Dish, $14.99. I can see that because I know how Pure One is. The Kula White Tea Moisturizer, so the SPF 50 is $32. I know how they are too, so they're like that. $45 for the Tarte Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Kit. I think that's a bit steep. But, of course, that's all due to the company. And what was that? The Aromatherapy De-Stress Muscle Gel is $39. So, I don't know if this wasn't included, or this was replaced by something else, I wouldn't have got this. So I guess it's use at your own discretion. Definitely, I would check out the sneak peeks before acting. If that's something you're worried about, if you're on a budget and you're like debating, you're like, I want to treat myself, but I don't know if I want to spend, $50 or $40 if you get the discount code. Wait for the sneak peeks before acting. That's what I would do. Now, since I don't get mine regularly, this is the first box that I got. I got mine way after a week or two, I guess. Today is June 2nd. And I think I ordered it last weekend. And so it came today, and today is a Saturday. So, I mean, it took about a week. It came all the way from California. So, just keep those things in mind if that's something that you're worried about. And I know some people, they don't worry about those kind of things because they're doing better off financially than others. But in case you are worried about that, I want to be completely upfront. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a good day. Let me know what else you'd like to see, or if you like these videos, or if you got this and you have some different products. Excuse me. Let me know what you got and if you enjoyed them. Stay tuned for my next video, and take care. Bye-bye.